y'all, so we are back for another video. I believe I'm going to do a series 31 days of doing graphic tees, whether it be cut up, bleach, or just cut up, or however I'm feeling that day. I'm going to give y'all some ideas to do it for the whole month of July. So that is my plan, and I plan on sticking to it. This is a shirt that I got from Walmart the other day, so we are going to cut this up and see what we get into. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into it.
Not into wasting time, I was just doing fine. Should I find something new, or should I be tripping on you? These decisions ain't easy. Believe me, I know it's hard to read me. And I know these girls, I'm getting greedy, cause I can't find one that knows how to treat a man. I'm just really trying to understand who really trying to know who I am. Cause right now I can't even trust my friends. I'm trying to live my life right. That's all I'm trying to do. Won't you be my peace, my peace? Taking time when I could be your peace, when I could please. Please don't make me wait. Please don't. I'm going out my way. You wait, babe. They couldn't take your place, babe. Please don't make me wait, babe. Going out my way. I wouldn't make you wait, babe. They couldn't take your place, babe.
Everything I get, you get a piece. Why you can't sit back and be my piece? It was looking dry, I bought a piece. Complaining about a smile, I bought a teeth. She can buy her own bags, I bought a 3. Something about a slut, she like the fuck, they call her 3. Relationship goes on the whole J&B. Every little secret that we got, I'ma keep, though.
So much on my mind, I need to unwind. Can you do that for me, baby? Yeah. I'm just trying to find a warm intentions in the dark and the light. And I know she's right, and I know you ain't seen in the dark and the light. And I know she's right, and I know you ain't seen a young nigga like me. So let me know if you're with me, cause I'm just trying to live my life right. Won't you be my